key part about this question is as follows. We need to find a number whose quarter is 9 more than the whole. So the full amount. So let's call this full amount x. Then the quarter is going to be x over 4. And we've got that the quarter is 9 more than the full amount. So that means if I have the quarter, then it's actually the full amount plus 9. You've got to make sure you get it the right way around. It's this thing that's bigger, so we have to take the whole and then add 9 to it. And we've got ourselves a fractional equation to solve. There's a few ways we can do this. Probably the safest way is to times everything through by 4. That will give x equals 4x plus 36. Now I'm going to minus 4x from both sides, so I'll get minus 3x is equal to 36. Divide through by 3, I'm going to get x is equal to minus 12. And that makes sense. So because if you quarter something, for it to be greater, it's got to be negative. And when we find a quarter of x, we get minus 3, which is greater than minus 12. The other way you could do it is you could stick with fractions. You could minus the x from both sides, and that would give minus 3/4 x, because it's essentially a quarter minus 1. It's just that it's a quarter x minus 1x. And that will equal 9. And then we can basically we can times through by 4 to give minus 3x is equal to 36, and then divide through by minus 3. We'll get the same answer, just a slightly different technique.